Water piping installed. Water purification. Electric to gas conversions. Clearing backed up drains. Energy saving burners installed. Water piping repaired. Correcting plumbing dilations. Water testing.
Here we go.
Install new faucets.